Hello everyone, welcome to ElliottWave.com YouTube channel. This is Henry, and today's chart of the day is on the pound Australian dollars. This is a 60 minutes chart. By the way, I sometimes get a lot of requests to cover this and that. Please note that chart of the day is always in random and rotational basis. And if you do want to check other instrument, we always have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description of the video below. Alright, so now pound Aussie 60 minutes chart. So we can see right here, this is your wave 2 in black, and currently we are doing a move to the downside. We are currently within wave 3 in black, and it is unfolding in another 5 waves. So we have this 1, 2, 3, and then looking for a 4 and a 5 on the downside with a red right side tag. So that means any kind of pound should fail here if it happens at all, right? So that doesn't mean this is bullish. So some people misunderstand, thinking that every single swing here is going to happen exactly as forecasted, exactly at the right time. The idea here, guys, is simply to understand what the right side is, and then that means if the right side is lower, if there is any rally, if it happens, it should fail, right? Trend always can extend more than what you think it can. Counter trend, or the one that is against the right side, has a higher chance to truncate. It doesn't go to as high or as low as what you want it, what you think it should go to, right? That's always going to be the philosophy, right? It's very simple. Trend always extends more. Counter trend truncates more, right? So here, if the rally happens, should fail in 3, 7, 11 swing, and then should be extending to the downside again. Now let's zoom out here, looking at the daily chart very quickly. Now we can see this is the March high. March high, and from here we got what looks like a 5 waves down, followed by a correction, followed by what looks like it wants to continue to go down, right? A break below here should open up a bearish sequence from March, then, because you can get a lower low, and that should open up a lot more downside, but it's not going to be a shorter cycle type of move, but potentially it can extend all the way to the next 100% at least, right? It can go all the way to this. You can see it's a huge move if it can go to full 100%. But it is, to me, it is very clear. Most likely we're gonna see more downside. Now whether we reach here or not is not a question, but at least we should be looking for more downside. And due to the fact that this is a 5 waves, most likely you should be able to count a clear 5 waves down. Until you can see a clear 5 waves down, it is very unlikely that this move lower is finished, right? And it can continue to go down here in the pound Aussie. All right, now the pound CAD and the pound New Zealand dollars has been leading by breaking below whatever previous low is. If you take a look and correlate the other pound crosses, that tells you it is going to happen, right? In fact, I've been telling members in the live trading room for many months that that it should be going lower, because the pound New Zealand dollars has already broken below. The euro New Zealand dollars was the first one to break. Another commodity crosses. Then after that, the pound New Zealand dollars. All right. So so it's very simple and straightforward. Rally should fail, right? Rally should fail against 182.17 in the first degree for the downside here. Okay. So that's the update here for today, and I'll see you all again next week. Have a good weekend to you all.